smoked catfish. Hey, what is going on, everybody? I'm Sam with Outdoors of Maryland. Hey, we are going to do a catfish dip. We went catfishing a couple weeks ago, and I did put the catfish up in the freezer. And what I have right now is I've actually had the catfish sitting in buttermilk. So I'm going to put it on the smoker today. But what I'm going to do is I want a little extra smoke in here. So I'm going to take this smoke tube. I'm going to light this up and let it get smoked. It shouldn't take a long time. And what we want is definitely that flakiness. So when we flake it up, then we're going to put it in. I might eat a couple whole pieces. That's a lot of thing. I'll show you the ingredients in a minute of what we're going to mix it with. It's a really simple recipe, but I've never had it before. So we'll see how it goes, especially with the smoke. I'm hoping it to be really, really tasty. I'm going to take a couple of small pieces off. They're way done. Looks like it's about done. They're flaking pretty good, but we're going to try these real quick. Just some small pieces. That's good, man. That's really good. I've had fried catfish, but I've had smoked snakehead, all that stuff, but this is actually pretty good. So the seasoning is delicious. Mr. Kevin Hogan from Bass Rag Outdoors. It says seasoning. This is pretty goddamn good. All right, so I'm going to eat this. The rest I'm going to let cook for a couple more minutes. It's starting to flake now. So now what we're going to do, we're going to take you inside in a couple minutes when we pull them off the grill, and we're going to make our dip. And I'll show you the ingredients when we go in. Cheers. Do it up with the smoke. All right, these are done. Let's go do it. I'll put a thing out on YouTube. I'm actually going to do with catfish, fish stew, okay? I didn't have enough catfish, I don't believe, to actually do a good stew. So the next time we go out, we get a nice bunch of catfish. We're going to bring it back and we're going to do a fish stew. Never had it. Don't sound too, I don't know, just never had it, but it's got tomatoes and tomato paste and potatoes, got all kind of stuff in it. It's a southern thing, but that was another recipe that was given through this, so I'm going to do them both. This one was from Justin. I gotta look in here and see. Justin Bresler, I think it's Bresler. He sent me this recipe, and I think it turned out great. Thank you, Justin. All right, what's up? Okay, so our ingredients are pretty simple. We're going to take one thing of cream cheese. I'd rather have Philadelphia. Girl behind the camera. We are going to have salt and pepper. We're going to have, I'm going to do a little parsley for the prettiness, and I think I'm going to do a little basil in there. But we're going to use Shoreline Obsession. This is a local guy, friend of mine, has a nice line of seasoning. I'll go ahead and I'll put his link in the description. So if you are interested, he's got all kind of seasoning for everything, all kind of barbecue. He's got some for snakehead and everything. So this is a Shoreline Obsession. We're going to add, that's going to be our seasoning, and this is my first time doing this, so as I do it, I'll definitely pick and choose if I like it that way or not. I already like it on here, so I don't think I need to add too much more of this, because I definitely have that pretty loaded with that. All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to mix the cream cheese first. We've had it sitting out. My wife loves cream cheese. It's her favorite thing to mix. Her favorite thing to mix with everything. So we already got salt and pepper, but we're going to add a little bit of pepper because I like pepper. Going to add a little bit of salt to here. I'm not add too much salt because we got the seasoning in there. And I'm actually going to put a little bit of basil. So this is my first time making it, so I don't know if I'm doing it right or doing it wrong. I can tell you that right now. Get your hands dirty. I actually might add another piece. Yeah, I want more fish in there.
Oh, I guess you're not gonna have dinner then.
I got one. I got one. It's good. I don't know.
Fish dip.
Catfish dip.
Yeah.
Kids are funny. She don't like fish. She don't like deer. She don't like nothing.
Like my crabs.
She likes crabs. Tastes good, but I think it needs more seasoning. We're going to add a little bit of more obsession in here. I think it needs a little bit more seasoning. I think in this recipe with this, I think you can probably even add a little bit more fish. I'm going to save this for my dinner tonight, and I'm taking this to a bunch of guys. I'm going to keep some and take some tomorrow to my buddy Jamie. It's actually really damn good. And I'm not even kidding. I've never had it before, so I think I might add a little bit more salt to it though. All right, so now we're going to try it. It looks all pretty. Look at it dinner. It looks all pretty. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and try it. My first catfish crab dip. My first catfish dip. And it is delicious. I won't lie to you. I really wouldn't lie to you, because if I don't like it, I'll tell you I don't like it, but it's actually pretty good. Smoking a catfish. That don't give you a whole lot of smoke. You got a little bit of smoke, but that's pretty good. All right, if you like this kind of stuff, we got some fishing coming up. We got some crabbing coming up. Hunting season is almost around the corner. We still got about a month and a half for that. And got a tournament, just fishing and all kind of stuff. If you like it, please like the video, please share, and won't you subscribe, man? We'll do some more dishes like this, all right? Thanks for sticking around. All right.